Hello, beautiful people. We welcome you today. It's a very beautiful, bright day.
Yeah.
The sky is already blue, and it is favoring us. But we are not talking about the weather. We're not talking about the sky. What we are talking about is where we are standing on today, on a solid rock. This place is a farm estate.
Yeah.
By Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited, called Ofiaku Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited. Ofiaku is a massive estate that stretches for over 5,000 acres of 5,000 plots of land, mapped out by Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited for farm institutions, for farm use.
It's not
Igbo, who are scattered all over the places, who are in Europe, Igbo who are in Africa, Igbo who are in Asia, Igbo who are in Americas, Australias, even here in Nigeria. We are inviting you, come and invest right here in Ofiaku Pine Leaf Estates and Properties Limited.
Sure.
Invest in farm. Igbo deserves to be food sufficient. We are talking about food sufficiency in our Igbo today, because we cannot be relying on outsiders. If we are talking about a strong Igbo nation, if we are talking about a self-reliant Igbo nation, we should be talking about food sufficiency in our Igbo.
Yes.
So this place is an ideal location for you to come and purchase. You can get over 1,000 plots here. You can get more. You can get 500 plots of land here for your farm. It is genuine. It is 100% genuine. So we are inviting you today. I am standing with my fellow progressives. We have the surveyors here. We have the Mrs. Queen, who is one of the most beautiful, and she is also honest in her dealings. So you can contact her, you can contact the surveyors, or you can contact me right on this number to make a deal with the company for a genuine piece of land here. Come one, come all. Pine Leaf Estates.
Land banking is a must.
Pine Leaf Estates.
Land banking is the must.
Onye na nọrọ na Pine Leaf.
Ọ na-ebe, ọ na-akwa, alele.